Well, hello, guys. How are you doing today?
We're the puzzle couple, and we're here with another puzzle.
We are, surprisingly.
Surprise!
So, surprise, surprise, surprise.
Okay, so we are doing
Elspeth? McLean? Yeah, it's a buffalo. Elspeth McLean, I think. McLean. Yeah. And Mandala Stones is the name of this one.
Oh my gosh, isn't that beautiful?
Very, very pretty. It looks like it actually, I mean, it's only... I
don't know if it would show this better.
It's only 300 pieces, but the colors and everything else, I think, might make it a bit
hard.
Difficult.
Yeah. I mean, the colors do have variations on it, so...
So maybe will help,
yeah.
Because see, like this is the puzzle piece right there, or a puzzle piece. So they're average size.
Average. That looks pretty big.
Yeah, the thickness is pretty good. Feels like they're very strong, and the feel of the top of it, I kind of like it.
That is a really nice feel, and it's really, gosh, I don't know if you guys can see how thick it is.
Yeah, it's a thick one.
It's pretty thick. So, gosh, I don't know. There's just something about the dots and the circles that is kind of Zen-like. The quality of Zen. I need to do some yoga.
Hot yoga. We all need to do some yoga.
I don't know about hot yoga.
We need to do something.
I have a family member who does hot yoga, and I asked her, I'm like, do you sweat very heavily in hot yoga? And she said she does.
Oh, I'm sure you do. Yeah, I don't know how hot it is. I've never done hot yoga. Anybody out there ever do hot yoga before? I mean, it sounds kind of cool to me, but
yeah,
I don't know.
It does. It sounds very nice, but so does puppy yoga and goat yoga. So
yeah.
I mean, for me, I don't know how much yoga I'd be doing if there's little puppies running around.
Probably not much.
I love dogs. So, I don't know. Nothing can bring my spirit hot, like through the roof high, than seeing a dog. So I love dogs.
Yeah.
But back to
the puzzles.
Back to the puzzle. So there's like, on the side, there's other collections too. It doesn't say if they're all from the same person, but I would think that it would be, right?
Collect, or would they just collect? Yeah. You know what? I don't know. They might be. Yeah, it doesn't really tell you.
It doesn't say who the artist is, but here's an up, and away. And you guys, you know how I feel about hot air balloons, kites, anything that goes flying.
Yeah.
So I kind of really want that one. But anyway, so we're going to do this one. And what is your guesstimation on how hard it's going to be?
Well, I say since it is 300 pieces, there might be a slight difficulty to it. But, I mean, you kind of look at it. The colors, and there are some similar colors, but the shapes and stuff like that are different. So that's probably going to help. I think it's, I don't know. I mean, when I first looked at it, I was thinking it was going to be kind of difficult, but I might be wrong. I think it might be kind of easy. It might be a very quick puzzle.
I'm thinking it's going to be easy because, or not for me. I'm going to look at all the pieces and go like, oh. But I think it's going to be easy for you because for some reason, like you just kind of see it. And I don't know, maybe it's just the part of you that knows how to fix things.
Maybe.
But you just get things like put together. And then I just kind of branch off on that. So he'll get something started and I'll say, oh, I see where this goes now, and then I throw the pieces in. So you guys might notice he gets a lot of the pieces like bam, 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 and I'm just like picking away.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I don't notice it, but maybe I'm focused or something. I think you do just as good a job as I do.
thank you, babe.
Yeah, well, yeah, we do a good job.
We do.
We
yeah.
make a team.
Yeah, if I had to do like, if I had to be on, what are those racing games?
Like Amazing Race?
Yeah, Amazing Race. If I had to do Amazing Race, I would do it with you.
Oh, okay. That would be fun.
I'd probably...
We probably wouldn't get too far. But, it would be a fun experience, right?
We probably wouldn't.
We'd probably be the first people kicked out or losing because we get lost somewhere.
Oh, we do.
We would,
because you probably can't use GPS on your phone.
No, you cannot. At least not what I've ever seen. I haven't watched stuff like that for a long time, but I have seen a few episodes. And
I have.
Yeah, I don't think you get to do that kind of things. Plus, then you have all the challenges, which I have a feeling we would not do. And it looks like it would be really kind of a fun thing to do, but because you're having all these experiences of different countries and different cultures, and you get to do what they kind of do, and it looks amazing, but it looks hard sometimes too.
I saw one where they had to eat one of those like half-hatched eggs.
Oh, yeah.
I would have been out. Oh my gosh, the thought of crunching on bone, I just couldn't do
that would
bone.
be kind of gross.
But you know, everything else. Well, no, the heights. They do a lot of like the heights where you have to like the ropes and on top,
and you have to
like
or something,
cross it. Oh my God, I'd be out.
That would be a hard one.
I would take one look down and be like, nope, I'm out.
Not going to go down a cliff. Not going to go across the canyon.
No,
you're just done.
But this, I have coloring books that are like this kind of just dots and circles and everything.
Yeah,
so
this, adult coloring books. Yeah.
Yeah. So this should be pretty peaceful. That's what this type of art is supposed to do. It's supposed to be very peaceful. Oh, okay. But so is puzzling. So how would we know if we're being pieced out? Oh, Mozart.
By the puzzle itself, or by the colors and the...
By the colors.
Yeah, I don't know.
So
maybe it's a little bit of both.
we're back.
Yep.
We did it.
We finished it again.
So we did finish it, and it was actually pretty quick. I believe it did not take very long at all.
No, probably like an hour, 20 minutes or so.
Yeah, so when we cut it down, it's going to be
very short.
Very short.
Yeah.
But I don't, as far as this goes, like the dots were a little challenging because I didn't realize, but some of these greens were very similar in color.
Yeah.
So you're gonna see me trying like one section. I just kind of stayed with one section,
one color,
and I was like, finally gave up, and I was branched out and realized that it could have fit quite a few different.
Yeah.
These are mandalas, right?
Mandala
stones.
Mandala stones, yeah.
So that's fun, you know.
It was.
I thought that they were pretty fun to color in the coloring books. So actually having them in a puzzle form was not
Kinda
that
cool.
bad. Yeah. I think I would definitely do look for more that are similar to this, that has just that kind of that path, you know, like the little stones that just go in circles. And so I don't know, I thought that was pretty fun.
It was a lot of fun. I like the ones that are kind of quick sometimes. It's nice to have a little break from something that's super difficult to something that's just kind of, you know, let you do it quick kind of thing. So yeah.
And this was oh my goodness, I hope I don't say the name wrong. Elspeth McLean. So that was the artist on this. Or is that the, yeah, because this is Buffalo. So so I would think that is the artist.
Yeah, I think that would be the artist.
So I would definitely look for myself. I think I would look for more puzzles like this. Now, if you get an artist that you just really love, do you guys kind of cling to that and look for those artists? Because I find that I get very excited when I find an artist that I've done previous and I just really love their work. So
yeah, I mean, we have a lot of them. I mean, you think about well, now I can't think of anybody, but yeah, I mean, we have some that we've done quite a few puzzles of theirs, and yeah, so they're. It's always nice to go back to the ones like that.
It is,
you know, it's almost like being home. So anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. So like and subscribe. Do it now or do it whenever you want, and we will talk to you later in the next one.
Bye.